Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15 SFQ barely holds a charge, you're not alone. This problem often occurs due to battery wear over time, which means your laptop won't last as long as it used to. If not addressed promptly, you may find yourself unable to use your device when you need it the most, leading to frustration and downtime. To replace your battery, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and of course, a compatible replacement battery for the HP 15 SFQ. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by turning the device upside down. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic spudger and gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. With the cover off, locate the battery. It's the large rectangular component typically situated near the center. You may see some cables connected to it. These will need to be disconnected. Take your Phillips screwdriver again to remove the screws securing the battery in place. Remember to keep these screws as well. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out, being careful not to tug on any connected cables. Now, take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you just removed. Next, reconnect any cables that were attached to the old battery, ensuring they are firmly seated. Before replacing the back cover, it's a good idea to check that everything is in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, place the back cover back onto the laptop, aligning it properly. Once it's in place, reinsert and tighten the screws you removed earlier. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on to check that the new battery is functioning properly. To avoid future battery issues, consider charging your laptop regularly and not allowing it to fully discharge too often. Also, if you're using your laptop for extended periods, try to keep it on a flat surface to ensure good ventilation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.